Hi student, this is for BCA 4th sem student and today topic is applet and AWT. So applet is a special type of Java program that is embedded or included in the web page or any HTML page to generate the dynamic content. It runs inside the browser and works at client side. So what is the main points to say about the applet? One is it generates the dynamic content. Means Java is not only creating any static page, it also creating dynamic page like display graphics, moving image, and the playing sound, etc. Next is response time is fast because if you want to access or write the applet code, it does not take extra time to run. So it is timeless process. 3 is it works at client side because it doesn't require any server, software, domain, host to execute this applet code. 4 applet code doesn't require any main method. 5 Java JVM is required to view an applet. Means if your browser is Java enabled, that means JDK is installed. 5 applet have strict security rules that are enforced by web browser. Suppose if you try to load applet code in your machine, sometimes browser gives error security. That's why here applet viewer tools is used to give secure. And next is if you want to write applet code, then you have to must import AWT package. So that is things about the applet. So next is hierarchy. It is the hierarchy. Object is the superclass, where under superclass those component subclass, container subclass, panel subclass, applet subclass, and applet subclass is there. All the classes included into the AWT package. And so life cycle of applet, same as multi-threading, applet has a life cycle and it has 4 stages: applet initialization, running, stop, and destroy, and 4 methods: init, start, stop, destroy. Basically, in when you write applet code, init method is usually used frequently used because init method using init method variables will be initialization, but in rare start, stop, display method will be used in your applet code. Suppose in your applet code displaying the output welcome, and there are maximize button, minimize button, cross button, and scroll bar is there. Suppose you are doing the scrolling using mouse, so init method will be called, and if you click the maximize button, then that time start method will be called. If you want to minimize this screen, then stop method will be called. If you want to cross this total applet output, then destroy method will be called. So 4 methods are there in applet class. So that's why applet class must be imported in your code. And if you want to display the just output, then paint method have to be written, because without paint method, because applet doesn't have any display method, that's why paint method will be called externally, and paint method which is in the graphics class, and graphics class also involved in AWT package. So that's about the life cycle. And next is how to implement this applet code. There are 2 ways. One is you can write separately Java code and HTML code in your computer. So Java code, simply write the applet code and save the applet code as a class file. Then using JavaC class name, you can compile. After compilation, you can externally open this HTML file and run using double quote in your web browser. But sometimes web browser gives the error security. That's why applet viewer tool is used. So how to run this HTML file applet viewer space a dot HTML or applet viewer space class name, Java class name. Second process is you can simply embed it into the applet code applet code where HTML will be used as a comment line. So you have to just mention the name of the class name within applet code. Then same code will be remain same. And using pen method, just display the display the output. Actually, and g dot draw string is the basically method of graphics class where you can take the string or pass the string within method, and or height and width can be passed through this method. That time compilation process will be same, and running process is the applet viewer space program name dot java. So this is about the how to implement or how to write the applet code. Some explanation where first of all you have to package in your applet code. One is AWT package, and within AWT package applet class must be there, because applet without applet class we cannot init, you cannot use init method or any start stops destroy method. And then you have to import AWT package, because within AWT package there are so many classes, graphic class and graphic class object, a method like pen method, drawstring method is there, so you have to use this method. Then obviously you can import AWT package. So using init method you can set the background color and foreground color, and within pen method you can write the drawstring method where you can simply take the string and pass the string as a parameter. And this is one process, and to write the applet code. And separately you can write HTML code where you have to just mention the class name of applet code, and then separately you can write run the HTML code, or just using applet viewer tool you can write the you can run the program, applet program. So output will be like that. So that's about the A applet. Next is AWT. What is AWT? AWT is basically API or package to develop a GUI based or window based application. So using AWT package you can simply write or create any window based application. So AWT components included basically button, label, checkbox group, choice, list, etc. Using these components you can create simply one application in your machine. And these components are platform dependent. Why? Because suppose if you run this button in your program, in your code, in your machine, then button size may be small, and suppose same code will be run another computer, button size may be big. So it is dependent on operating system. So let's start about the AWT components. Label, button, checkbox group, choice, list. AWT does not have any radio button, so instead radio button it has checkbox group. So what is the label, and what is the difference between label and text? Label is a with input, but you cannot edit or you cannot change the input. But if you want to change this input of label, then you have to go to the code, and using get text and set text method you can write or change the string or input of label. But text is a without input you can just simply take input or enter the input explicitly, and you can change the input. So this is the basic difference between label and text. What is the checkbox? Checkbox is the selection, and you can select multiple option. And while checkbox groups is the radio button, like at a time you can select only one option. And what is the difference between choice and list? Choice basically multiple elements, and list also multiple elements, but choice has drop down menu, but list has not any drop down menu, it's just visible menu. Choice is a single click event handling, and list is a double click event handling. Without double click, list will not be selected, and but choice will be selected only single clicking. And within choice, item listener interface there, within list action listener interface there, and get selected item will be used in both cases to fetch the item name. So actually AWT includes components, also event handling. So event means some sources to generate the some resource, means some uh, any action. And so suppose you click button, submit button, so it will give the message that you are successfully registered. So against event handling will be occur. So in AWT, event handling is performed by any listener, and listener is called interface. So each and every listener has a method, or also class has a method. So if you want to write AWT code, first import the AWT package, then write the applet code, then mention the interface. If you have any event, then if you want to be handle this event, then I have to mention interface, then init method for initialization, and print for display the output, and method interface definition. So first of all, this is not in your syllabus, actually event handling not in your syllabus yet. I want to say that if any events is generated, then listener should register those events to handle those events. Suppose button clicking is a event, so against button clicking, action listener is the interfaces. So in that action listener interfaces have to register button button clicking using button method to handle button. So label syntax is the, here is the syntax of label L1, and change the label. You have to write text set text. Here simply is the code. In it set background, set foreground, for take the color, and here the label branch, label 1, label 2 is college, and just add method, and using add method you can easily add the two labels in your code. And draw string, using draw string, simply you can use using void paint, you can simply see the output branch and college. Button, here is the button syntax is same, add button, and using here the action listener for interface for handling the event, and using this method add action listener, those buttons object will be handled. So here if string will be matched with red, then after clicking red button, background will be red. Then after clicking blue button, background will be blue. After clicking green button, background will be green. This is action, this is the action performed using those method. Checkbox syntax is same. If you want to change this checkbox name, then set label and get label method will be used. Checkbox group is a radio button, it's like a radio button where string name and boolean on off means, if boolean true means is enable, and boolean false means disable button. Suppose button like CSC, ECE, civil, mechanical. So it is enable button. So list and choice. Using list and choice, you can simply select the drop down list, and here using get selected item and set selected item, return the item name. Suppose you click the C programming, then it will give the return the item name which is included in choice or maybe included in the listed. So here item listener is the interface to handle this event. Here action listener interface handle the event. Here you can simply using c.add C programming, that will be included into the that will be into choice, and here using l.a that will be included into the list. Thank you all.